What is up, guys? So today we are going to be buying the whole Nut Horizon. At least I am, because
You mean you?
Yes, me. So
Yes, I'm poor.
I have 83 out of the 104. So I don't know if I'm gonna have enough, but if I don't, I have enough company coins. I can get some more. But so first, let's go to the heart balloon. We need the heart balloon. Oh, wait. There's one.
Whoopee cushion.
Whoopee cushion. Let's go now.
Whoopee cushion.
Okay. Now, the heart balloon. Balloon. Heart balloon. Oh, wait, up here. Clover umbrella. Oh no.
Wait up. Wait up.
This is scary. Oh my god, I feel so bad for this myself. I don't want to spend all my money, but I have to because I love you guys. Okay.
Do you have all nut tree?
No, not everything yet. Okay, it feels so weird doing this, but I love my fans and I gotta do it. I don't have to, but I'm going to do it for my fans. Back. Okay, this is, oh my god. Hey mom, I'm going to be buying the whole Nut Horizon. No. Yo, bro, I kind of dropped my heart, my grappler. Can you help me? Never mind, I just got it. Oh my god, I'm buying every single useless rainbow. Oh, come on. This is so much. Oh my god. Let's go. Those and everything. That means I'll literally have every single upgrade and everything. Oh my. Oh my. God. Is that everything? Nope. Still anything. Oh, I'm buying these ones. Just crazy though. Oh, over there. Almost got everything, I think. 2. Oh, okay. Okay, I'm going back to the start so I can get some more, because I need to get some more. Which is fine. Oh, damn. Oh, crap. Oh, crap. Oh, my God. That scared me so bad. I almost just died. Yo, bro, are you still there? Yo, bro, down. So, 3 and 3. So, 3. Okay.
Did you get everything?
Not everything. I need 2 more, so I need 3. So, that's 3 and 1, 2, 3. Here we go. my god. Okay, so you guys are probably wondering right now, why are you lying? Nobody said you had the reason why. So I was just, I'm talking to them. So basically, I was just talking with him about all the research points and all that stuff. And then we were like talking about how YouTubers like, you know how we're talking about how YouTubers like buy the whole thing?
Oh, yeah.
And I reminded myself, wait, I am a YouTuber. Shouldn't I do that? And I literally said that. You can ask Dominic right here. And now we're just trying. And we're gonna do it. Now the last thing. Where's the last thing? When you find the last thing. Okay. I know where it is. Oh my god. What? I'm trying to get the last thing.
How long has those like thingies been there?
Don't curse, bro.
Sorry.
Dude, what? Okay. Dude, okay. He accidentally cursed. Don't listen to that. You absolutely shouldn't look at that. Ooh, that's the whole thing! Ooh. We actually did it. Okay. So, I'm probably gonna be here getting my 50 back. So, like always, hope you guys have a great day. And like always, see you.
Bye.